Hello WitBlox makers! Today we are going to build a fun and amazing project called the Rocket Launchpad, in which you are going to place your rocket and launch it using a rubber band mechanism. To add more fun to it, we launch it using our own hand gestures using WitBlox Accelero Blox. To make the launcher structure, we will use WitBricks. My robot assistant will now guide you on how to build it. Sounds exciting, right? So let's get started.
First take 3 5-hole beam, 1 3-hole elbow, 2 mm couplers and join them together as shown. Then take 2 5-hole beam and join it to the structure as shown. Now join 1 1-hole beam to the structure as shown. Then take 1 male axle coupler and join it to the structure. Now take 1 5-hole beam, 1 60 mm axle, 2 BO shaft and join to the structure. Then take 1 motor and attach it on top of the structure. Now take 2 3-hole elbow, 2 BO shaft and join them as shown and then join it to the motor. Then join 1 5-hole beam to the structure. Now take 3 BO shaft, 2 1-hole elbow, 1 90 mm axle and join them all together. And then join them to the structure as shown. Then attach 1 3-hole elbow for stability of the structure. Now take 4 1-hole elbow, 1 30 mm axle, 2 BO shaft and join them together and then join them to the structure. Now take 1 BO shaft and join it to 1-hole elbow and then join it on top of the structure. Now take 1 60 mm axle, 1 BO shaft and attach it on top of the structure. Then take 2 1-hole elbow and join them together and then join it to the structure. Then take 2 rubber bands. Join one rubber band on top part of the structure. And then join another part on the bottom motor side. Then take 2 one-hole beam, join them together and then join it on top of the structure. To make the structure more stable, we will take one one-hole beam and coupler and join it in the middle of the structure. Now let's make our mini rocket. For this, take one 60mm axle, one 3-hole beam, one BO shaft, 2 coupler and join them together.
Our rocket and rocket launcher are ready. Let's see how it works. Oh, it works! Wonderful! How about controlling it using hand gestures? Like the real rockets being launched from the control towers. Let's control it with our hand gestures. To reload the rocket, we need to reset the position of the trigger. For that, we need to rotate the motor in the opposite direction. That we can do easily by giving an opposite rotation feedback to this motor using the wire tap.
For hand gestures, we will use Accelero Blox, which has acceleration sensor and senses our hand movement. Join the Accelero Blox to the power blocks and let's see the movements real quick. Finally, take 2 blocks holders and attach it to the structure and let's join the blockses to our structure.
And voila! Our rocket launcher is now ready. build such amazing projects using WitBricks and Bloxes.